help. Today is an especially exciting Sunday motivation. We're doing Rory's first birthday prep. I can't believe he's turning 1. Before I get into doing things, I thought I would include a little haul of like what we got him for gifts and for wrapping, decorations, etc. And then we will get into it. If you want to skip the haul, feel free. So I actually get it and I ended up getting almost all of his gifts at HomeSense, and Party City is where I got all the party stuff. Let's do this. Also, worth a mention, there is one gift for him that is not here yet because we still have to pick it up from the store. My boyfriend got him a toddler snowboard, which is super exciting. It is very cute, and it's not for actual snowboarding. It's for, like, you know, practice balance in the living room, going down a small hill in the yard with assistance, that kind of thing. So don't freak out. This guy, it is a dump truck. It is large. He is super into anything with wheels that he can like push around, and this is pretty big, so it should be easy and fun for him to push, a little different from the smaller cars and trucks and stuff that he has right now. This was from the dollar store. I got a 6-pack of soft Hot Wheels toothbrushes. He has a thing for toothbrushes. He loves toothbrushes. I got him a book. This is called Hippos Go Berserk, a wild counting story. So pretty simple, easy things to look at, educational I assume, because counting. Next, I got him these sensory balls, which he has actually come across this box already at least once since I got them home, and he desperately was trying to get these out, so I already know that this is a win. But they're all the same. They're a little squishy, and they're like the teething rubber, and I don't know, they're sensory balls. What else do you say about sensory ball? Melissa and Doug's set of town cars. It's a good collection of little wooden vehicles. Okay, Party City. So I got 2 packs of balloons, a matte teal version, and a metallic pearlescent, I guess, dark blue. I just got the glittery little candles. Not like he's gonna be the one blowing them out anyway, but I got some stars there. This little newsboy hat. Little thing on the side that says a birthday boy. I don't know, I have no idea if he'll keep this on, but it'll be cute for some photo ops, you know. Then we got a first birthday bib. I searched high and low to get a first birthday outfit, like a shirt, at least a shirt. And I could not find one anywhere in his size because he is in toddler sizes. I guess they don't expect a 1-year-old to be in 2 to 3T, but banner to go on his high chair, so it just goes on with Velcro. Then for wrapping paper, I just went to the dollar store, and I hate everything being one color, so of course I had to be annoying and get a green one and a blue one. Since this is the first thing on my list, let's get to wrapping. quick note, I am wrapping these very loosely because like 80% of the fun of this is him being able to unwrap it. So I'm trying to make it as easy and non-complicated as possible so that he can just grab and rip.